turnip. With turnips, we want them to be firm with absolutely no discoloration. There should be a nice strip of purple on the top portion, whereas the bottom portion should be white. First, we'll peel our turnip. Starting at the top, I like to work my way down and around until it's completely removed. Next, we'll core the stem. And there's our peeled turnip. One technique is to slice very thinly, almost like paper, which can be made into a carpaccio or pickled. We can also cut into a thick round and use a mold to perform some punch outs for a fine dining presentation. Now it's best to do this after the turnip is cooked to avoid rough edges. However, here I'm shaving off a thin layer to make them smooth. With the shaved portion, we can give them a quick pickle and add them to a salad or use as a garnish. We can also cut our turnip into wedges, perfect for grilling or roasting. For a clean presentation, simply slice off the edges. And lastly, with the quarter, we can slice into flat wedges. And that is our turnip. And I forgot to mention, with your cutout, you can actually sous vide this and fill in this hole with a puree or braised lamb for a fine dining presentation.